G'day all, welcome back to Unimig. Today we're going to take a quick little walk through the VIPER 120 SYNERGIC and why this machine should be in every garage and shed. So enough chatter, let's get stuck in.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway, darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day.
So starting off, this little unit is super lightweight, weighing in at 5.2 kilos, which makes it light enough for you to be able to swing it over your shoulder and take it up a ladder. Also portable enough so you can put it in the back of your car, take it off site or to another job, and small enough so you can store it in tight spaces in your garage.
Bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, going down deep.
So we get this question quite a lot, whether this machine is gas and gasless, and the short answer is yes it is. It'll take 0.6, 0.8 and 0.9 in mild steel, gasless and stainless steel, and 1 kilo spools, which fit nice and neat inside the cabinet right there. So the SYNERGIC system in this machine is top class for its size. Basically it sets your wire speed so it matches your voltage. So once you've got your machine turned on and your wire loaded, you use this button here just to pick your wire size, adjust your volts accordingly, and you're ready to weld.
The same. Father, hear us as we pray down to the river, down to the river. Sing, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, going down deep.
As we said before, this machine packs a punch. It performs way beyond its weight and size. It can weld 6mm mild steel and stainless steel comfortably, which is more than enough for your backyard projects. So just to sum it up, this is a great little welder for the weekend welder or anyone that's starting out. It's packed full of features, can weld up to 6mm, it's light, portable, and it can be stored away very easily. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like our video, and we'll see you next time.
Down to the river.